Okay, what's up, guys? This is Gar Science. Okay, and this YouTube channel right now is now a business channel. Okay, Gar Science is a digital company mainly into ebooks, audiobooks, and online courses. So now there is a part of the business where you have to get free mindset videos here and there, and obviously you have to get them on this channel right now. So if you are here to subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on notification so you'll be notified when a new video is out. Okay, this is just a free video. I got some free time. I'm the CEO, the owner of Gar Science, and I just want to give some information out to you. Now, to the aspect of parenting, parents should understand that your children are gifts from God. You go to church. I'm in the church. You go to church every day, pray to God, and we have deaconesses, deacons in the church. Now churches today, but majority of them treat their children as though they are play toys. Like, as a mother, as a father, understand that your child is a gift. Your child is a gift. Number one, parenting advice. Number one big lesson. Share this video to your parents if you are a teenager watching it. Number one advice is this: your children are gifts from God. The Bible tells you, the Bible clearly states that children are gifts from God. So that you have a child doesn't mean the child is a play toy. Now you have to determine every move of the child, every step of the child. If you do that for that child, when the child grows to a certain extent, to a certain age, that child is going to really put up some kind of resistance on you as a mother or as a father. So here is it. Nobody, as a parent, you understand this. Nobody can be successful being 100% obedient. Nobody can be successful being 100% disobedient. So, as a mother, what you should check out for is to check out for the percentage of your child's disobedience or the percentage of your child's obedience. That is exactly what you should do. Because if a child is 100% disobedient, expect that child to fail in life. If that child is 100% obedient, expect that child to fail in life. So understand, if your child is 80% obedient and 20% stubborn, that is a fantastic score. That is a great one. That child must be successful. So when your child is stubborn sometimes, when a child refuses to do something, sometimes it should not be as if the world wants to fall. As a parent, it shouldn't be that way. Okay, so children usually, I'm telling you what we usually go through, what we usually feel for parents. Children usually feel their parents are weak. Okay, so as a parent, always show your strength to your children. Children always feel their parents are weak, so they want to think for their parents. They want to do this for their parents. And this pity, they usually have this pity for their parents. And there's no way you can pity somebody and love somebody. Pity and love, they are two different things. They are antagonistic. Okay, pity and love, they are not the same thing at all. So you see me here, I got relaxed. I don't really have my tools here, otherwise I would have made a full video. I'm still going to start making full videos. My followers on YouTube have not seen me make a full video once. I'm going to start that soon. So where's what I'm saying right now? As a parent, understand, children usually feel pity, especially in the black community where we live in Nigeria. Okay, they usually have this pity circle. Parents usually pity children, and sometimes parents do pity children too. Okay, so this is something that should stop. And how do you stop it? How do you stop it? As a parent, you gotta be tough. Act tough to your children. How do you act tough? What are the things that children admire? Children admire when their parents read. If you are a parent that always read in the presence of your children admires that a lot. As a parent, always read, get into intelligent stuff. Always read, and to some extent be hardworking. Okay, they appreciate that too. So that is really big. And last but not the least, I have to go right now. Subscribe to get more of this kind of videos. Okay, so support your children emotionally. That's where they need it most. Emotional support. Okay, PT. Let me talk about PT again. PT is stress in the body. Okay. And no organism can tolerate long-term stress. When you are in stress is a chemical, cortisol. When you are in stress, your immune system shuts down. When surgeon wants to transplant organ, want to do organ transplant, and the patient's body is rejecting the new organ. What they do is they inject the patient, the recipient, with stress hormones, because when that stress hormones get into that patient, the recipient's immune system shuts down, so it can't fight against the new organ that they want to transplant. Surgeons use these. So it's a big fact. Stress chemical, when you are in stress through your thoughts, you can turn on stress hormones through your thoughts. When you think a thought, you feel it happening in your body. You feel it because a chemical has been released. That's how it is. So this chemical called cortisol is being released through your thoughts. So when time you think about your life, you hate your life, stress comes in, your immune system goes down. If you do this over and over again, you still fall sick. You still become sick. You start to have cancer or one kind of disease or the other. So as a parent, show your strength to your children. How do you show it to your children? Through your thinking. Be tough in your mind. When I mean tough in your mind, I don't mean being wicked here and there. No. Show them that you can handle your own problems. You don't need them to fight for you. Always put that gap there all the time. It's going to create this strength and love for your children, and they are going to love you instead of pity you. Because majority of parents I have seen in my black community in Nigeria, the children always pity their parents. That's why they always have to fight for them, think for them, try and control them, this and that. So this ought not to be so as a parent. So lastly, you got to support your children emotionally. Okay, let them do what they love. Nobody does what he loves and not succeed in it. Nobody. Be sincere with yourself. Who have you seen doing what he loves in the black community in Nigeria and did not succeed? Obviously, you won't see anyone. The people who have not succeeded are those who did not do what they love. They went to school to study a course that they did not even apply for. How will they not struggle? You see someone going to school, he wants with the intention of studying medicine, but he ends up studying physics, and that person ends up driving the tricycle we have today in Nigeria. Then you say that person is not successful, so your child has to go and learn a trade or learn a skill. No, that person is not your child, and besides, that person did not do what he loves, what he loved. Nobody does what he hates and succeed. So as parents, your core duty is to try help that child figure out what exactly he loves. And when that child finds it, give the child the necessary support needed for that child to get that exact thing that he loves. Okay? It could be creativity. For me, I love creativity and I love being boss. Okay, so you see, I set up my own business now. I have my own business. I have my own company. Okay, so you see it. So try and figure out what your children love, and when you find it, give them the necessary support. It could be money support, emotional support, telling them you got their back all the time, reaffirming things to them that they will succeed. Those things are good. Creating a competition free environment in your home. Your children should not compete with one another for supremacy. No. Create a free environment for them, for that your child. When you do that, your child is not trying to compete with anyone in the home. He's trying to actually go for what he loves. That child will succeed. This is all we have. Subscribe to Gary Science to get more of the videos. Bye.